Using maps. The maps is just another app that we have into the Windows mode, into the start screen. Okay, here's my tile. Okay, for the maps app. Let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, so I already set up my location, and that's why it's taking me into this location. Okay, the first time that you guys open this app, you guys are gonna be prompted, okay, to add your location. And besides also adding your location, you guys are gonna be prompted if you wanna allow, okay, your computer, okay, if you wanna allow this application to notice your location, your current location, okay. So this is a normal window once you guys set up your maps, okay. If we right click anywhere into the map, see, we have the toolbar, and the toolbar is giving me different options, okay. So right now this is my location where I have the little triangle. If I click on show traffic, it's just gonna give me some extra colors, okay. So everything that is in green, everything is moving, okay. Wherever is in red, let me zoom out a little bit. See, wherever it's in red is because there's traffic, okay. And where's yellow is because there's a little bit of traffic. I mean, red is very heavy, yellow is kind of slow, green is moving smooth. Okay, so we could zoom out, zoom in. Okay, now I'm gonna right click into the app, and we could also change the map. Okay, so this is a road view. Okay, I'm gonna change to the aerial view. And even if we switch into the aerial view, see, I'm still having the colors for how the traffic is moving. Okay, now I'm gonna right click and remove the traffic. Just wanna see the area view. Okay, now right click, and I'm gonna select my location, and it's just gonna zoom into my location. Okay, now right click. Let's say that I wanna change my location. Okay, remember that in any of these apps, okay, if you guys use the Windows logo on the keyboard and you guys are gonna open the settings for that particular application. Okay, now right here I have options. If I click on options, okay, see I could change the region from the United States to any other country. See, I have the search history on. If I don't want to have that, I can just go ahead and turn that off. I could also clear my search history and display, okay, the distances by kilometers or miles. Okay, now we have the show the angle view of the area map. Okay, it's on. It always shows zoom controls on the map. Okay, so if I turn that on and click right here, see, now I'm gonna have this zoom out and zoom in available all the time. Okay, so remember Windows logo I on any of these apps that you guys may have open, we're gonna have options about, go back, feedback, okay, feedback about this app, terms of use. Okay, so it's gonna open my Internet Explorer 10 Windows mode. I'm gonna close that. Come back to maps. Okay, and Windows logo I, help, even help. Okay, back to maps. Windows logo I, and then permissions. Okay, so right now, see, I'm allowing this application to access my location. Okay, that's why it's pinning my location right now. We can also turn that off. Okay, which we'll cover into another video. Okay, Now I'm just gonna go ahead and close that. I click into that app, and there you are. Remember, right click, I have my locations. Now let's say that I need directions. Okay. So directions. When I click on directions here, I have my location. Let's say that from my location, I'm gonna go to this address, which is Los Angeles offices for International College. Pomona Boulevard, Los Angeles, California, 90023. Okay, so here's my location, and this is where I want to go. I'm gonna click into that arrow, and just like that, I have the directions to 55 Pomona Boulevard, Los Angeles. Here's a point 8, and point B. Okay, I'm gonna have more details. I click into the chevron arrow. I get all the information to get to this place. Okay, 6 minutes, 6.1 miles, 9 minutes, and then it's giving me, see, step by step, we head together. Okay, I'm gonna close that. If I right click this time, see, I'm gonna have a clear map. I click the map, and again, right click. Let's say that I wanna go to another direction. Let's say that this time it's gonna be, I'm just gonna select another starting point, okay? It's gonna start in South San Gabriel, California, USA. And this time, let's say that I wanna go. See, whenever you guys search other locations, it's just gonna be listed here. Okay, now let's say that I wanna go to Cancun, Mexico. Click on the arrow. Okay, now for the point 8, see, there's gonna be 3 different options: San Gabriel, California, South San Gabriel, South San Gabriel, California. I'm gonna go ahead and go with South San Gabriel, California. Okay, the location you enter cannot be found. Okay, let me see one more time. Okay, let's see. Let me go ahead and type in Rosemead, California. No, let's do this. South. Let me go ahead and add the zip code. Okay, I'm gonna go with the first one. Not even. Okay, let me go ahead and add another city, Rosemead, California, USA. Enter. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use my location. Cancun can be found Mexico. Let's see one more time. There we go. Okay, so now I have the directions to Cancun, Mexico, and from Los Angeles all the way to Cancun. But when I have details, I click on the chevron. That's 2,820 miles, 50 hours and 6 minutes, and it's giving me step by step. Okay. And so that I want to print this information. Okay. I use a Control P as a printer or print. It's gonna open this window. Okay. From here, I'm not gonna print this out because I'm just gonna be wasting a lot of paper. But let's say that I'm gonna send this to the Microsoft XPS document. Right. Okay. I'm not gonna print it. I'm just gonna keep a digital copy, and then I click on print. So it's gonna be 13 pages. So I don't want to print 13 pages. Okay. You can print. Those 13 pages with the directions are gonna be saved. File saved to documents folder. I'm gonna click into that link, and here's my directions, step by step. Okay, so let's say that I'm gonna be traveling. I'm gonna be taking my laptop. So there, I have step by step. Okay, I don't need to print this out and waste paper. I mean, that's optional. Okay, so remember anytime that you guys want to print, because you got right click, we don't have that option to print. Right click into the map, we don't have that option to print. So Windows logo P. Okay, I'm sorry, not Windows logo. Control P. Control and P for print. Okay, to close this application, I'm just gonna drag it from the top, left click, hold, and drag. Okay, so here's my maps. When I open that application, it's gonna take me back to my home page. Okay, so that is using maps, opening and navigating the Maps app, choosing a map style, searching for location, displaying information about a location, showing in traffic into maps, and getting directions as well, printing those directions. Thank you guys. Until next time. Bye bye.